lumbar siya. So, if the patient is a lumbar, lumbar L, let's say, diba? Yung lumbar kasi natin, kung matanda sa anatomy, diba? So, L4, L3, L4, ay L1, L2, L3, and L5. So, plantar flexion. So, ibig sabihin, pag ang affectation is pataas from nasa level 3 level na, ibig sabihin, ang lumbar area is affected. So, paralyzed ang both legs. So, lalo na pag ang level is, di ba, pagka sino na CS dito? CS. So, pag na-CS kayo, hanggang saan ang wala niyong pakiramdam? So, di ba? From here, mula dito. So, usually, ang patient, tinutusukan niya, ini-injection between the L2 and L3 level. Kasi nandun yung pinaka-end ng spinal cord. So, from there, paralyzed siya mula dito hanggang dyan. Ibig sabihin, pag nandun ang affectation, paralyzed ang hips ng pasyente. Wala siyang pakiramdam, wala siyang niya kayang mag-move. So, pagka ang level is nasa thoracic na, so, ibig sabihin, paralyzed mula dito, pababa. So, pagka nasa mababa ang level, na let's say nasa L2, L3, so, ibig sabihin, itong both legs ng paralyzed, but the patient is able to breathe his hips. Okay. So, again, so from bed to wheelchair. Okay, so transferring patient sa STI, L4 level. So, the same procedure always do the beginning procedure. So, identify the check the physician order for the type of transfer, and then gather all the necessary materials with the patient's unit. Identify your patient, explain yourself, explain the procedure, and then position the wheelchair facing against the bed, so that it will help the patient to move easily from bed to wheelchair, and will serve as a brace so that the patient will prevent from falling. So be sure that the wheelchair, the bed is locked, the wheelchair is locked. Okay. And then next is, so position the patient into a diagonal position again. So first is the legs of the patient, and then the trunk.
Ay, dadangling.
Matalino. Okay. And after placing the patient into a diagonal position, so next is assist now your patient from lying to sitting. So actually, yung iba ginagamit itong procedure na to, then they put it on the neck. But they find it dangerous because the patient might pull your neck. So, it will cause you neck pain or makakaroon ka pa ng injury. So, mas maganda, you can ask the patient to hold on your shoulder or on your arms, and then, so, same procedure, proper body mechanics, one leg forward and the other one backward, and then, place one hand supporting the head and the shoulder of the patient, and then the other one on the patient's back. And then, okay, ma'am, at the count of 3, help me to place you from lying to sitting position. So, if the patient can able to do so. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Then again, ma'am, how do you feel? Are you feel dizzy? Okay. So, if the patient is not dizzy, we can proceed to the procedure. And then, after that, so, first is, again, maintain proper body mechanics. So, ask the patient to cross her arms, and then place your both hands to the patient's axilla, to the rear. And then, So have your patient lie on your shoulder so that it's easy for you to carry the patient. Or if the patient is able to do so, ask the patient to place both hands flat against the bed. So she could help you by pushing it against the bed to lift herself. Then place your both hands on the axilla of the patient. Okay, ma'am, at the count of 3, please help me to move yourself up to the edge of the bed. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, go. Isa pa. So, do not put the patient or before the patient, and then place the wheelchair close to the bed, the wheelchair is back, and then move forward to the back of the wheelchair. So, place yourself to prevent the wheelchair from moving. Okay, and then again, ask the patient to help you. So, okay, ma'am, at the count of 3, help me to put you backwards to the wheelchair. 1, 2, 3, go. And then again, ask the patient to place both hands the armrest, and then 1, 2, 3, go. So until the patient reaches the edge of the
Madali yan.
wheelchair. And then unlock the wheelchair and pull the wheelchair away from the bed until the patient reaches until the patient's legs or foot reach the edge of the bed. So you always support the wheelchair or the chair on the commode, and then bend your legs. So lower the patient's legs one at a time. Then place it to the footway.
What's that?